In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on focus mode in Slack if you want fewer distractions while you work. Focus mode is a simple feature that can help you stay on task. It's quick to enable, easy to turn off, and only takes a few seconds once you know where to find it. To get started, open Slack and look over to the left sidebar. This is where Slack keeps your main navigation, including your channels, direct messages, and other workspace tools. Take a moment to orient yourself there because the control you need is located in that area. Next, look for the moon icon in the left sidebar and click it. The moon symbol is the shortcut for turning on focus mode, and it's designed to be easy to spot once you know what you're looking for. If your sidebar is crowded, just scan carefully and you should find it without much trouble. As soon as you click the moon icon, focus mode will turn on. This helps reduce interruptions so you can concentrate better on your work. If you're in the middle of writing, reviewing messages, or handling a task that requires uninterrupted attention, this is a useful setting to enable. It's especially helpful during deep work sessions, meetings, or anytime you want Slack to be a little quieter. One helpful tip here is to make sure you notice the visual change after clicking the icon so you can confirm that focus mode is active. That way, you'll know the setting has been applied and you can continue working without second guessing whether it turned on. When you're ready to go back to normal and receive activity as usual, turning focus mode off is just as simple. All you need to do is click the moon icon again. That will disable focus mode and return Slack to its regular state. This toggle style setup makes it very convenient because you don't need to go through extra menus or settings every time you want to switch between focused work and normal communication. Just one click to turn it on and one click to turn it off. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the moon icon is, managing focus mode in Slack becomes incredibly fast and easy. If you use Slack throughout your day, this can be a great habit to build whenever you need uninterrupted time to focus.